Okay, I just want to give you a quick setup for today's video. This is one of 13 or 14 videos I shot at the 2026 Blade Show. And the Bible verse for this whole series is Ecclesiastes chapter 10, verse 10. If the axe is dull and one does not sharpen the edge, then he must use more strength, but wisdom brings success. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2026 Blade Show. I almost said SHOT Show. And one of the things I like about this show, like I said, is I get to run into people that I don't get to see on a regular basis who are really, it's a pleasure to see. And one of them is David here from Ultimate Survival Tips, MSK-1, Tiny Survival, all kinds of cool business you got going here.
Nice.
And I've known David for years and years. Really become a really good friend.
Yeah, bro.
And man, it's really good to see you.
It's good to see you.
We ran into each other, so I wanted to give you the first look. You've got a brand new
10th
anniversary of the MSK-1.
Yep.
It's
the original profile, but it's different. It's a little bit different. It's the next evolution of the original MSK-1. And the big difference is that it's 25% lighter. One of the big questions we got was, hey, David, could you make it lighter without losing strength? So we've been experimenting, and actually our mini knife is made out of the 14C28N, which I think you tested at some particular point. And you were actually telling me that there was a blind test with a bunch of different steels. And as far as versatility goes, 14C28N came out on top. We found the same thing. Yep. So we were able to thin out the profile, make it 0.175 inches. What did you say that was? Like
about 3/16.
About 3/16 wide instead of a full 1/4 inch, without losing strength, because 14C is a really tough steel. It's great for edge retention. It's got very high, it's in the top third in stainless steel. You know, it's very corrosive resistant, but it's on the lower third of pricing. So we were able to come out with this anniversary edition and make it 25% lighter, tougher, and make it the most affordable and most versatile knife by upgrading some of the components in the handle kit and upgrading the sheath system to a 9-carry position plus our ACS add-on.
That's cool.
Add-on.
You still got a survival kit in the handle?
Yep. It's a new survival kit.
Yeah.
A couple more components because we were able to fit a little bit more in and consolidate that. So it's a 3rd-gen survival kit in the handle too.
Still got the bow drill to it. And by the way, stick around to the very end in just a minute because we got a sneak peek of the next one. This one, by the way, when's this knife going to be released?
Oh, this knife went on Kickstarter yesterday. At 8 a.m. I haven't checked.
So check. What do they need to check for it?
So what you can do is you can look up Elite X online on Kickstarter, or you can go to ultimatesurvivaltips.com/Elite X. And that'll take you right to the Kickstarter.
Cool.
It's like a redirect right to the Kickstarter.
Yeah, cool.
So you can check it out there. We got a cool Chaz. I got this dude who's got a really sweet voice who did the voiceover work.
Oh, yeah.
And go check out Chaz. Go check it out. You know, if somebody relies on you to be ready, this might be a knife that you're going to love.
So, quick question.
Yeah.
Is the voiceover like the illustrated commercials where it's like, okay, it's like the dude from whatever, you know, I'm just real.
No, it's not like that. He's really, Chaz is like really super smooth, and he's got a deep voice and a little accent. Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, that's cool. And so, how about a quick sneak peek? You show me.
Okay.
I thought it was really cool. This is not out yet, right?
Yep.
This is the next design coming up.
It's the next design coming out
sometime soon.
We've never released this on Kickstarter. It was kind of a private release to some of our guys. So this is the MSK-1 Warrior. So it'll be the Warrior X on Kickstarter. This is I almost thought about maybe, you can guys tell Brian, and he'll tell me, should I call this the Trident? Because it's a triple blade. We've got this serration on both sides, which was really sweet. We've got a secondary, really sharp secondary blade, and then this primary, the primary blade. And again, it's compared to the original MSK-1, and it's super light.
What I noticed about it is, first of all, this secondary edge up here is straight, which gives you some potential uses that you might not get on a curved blade. You can do some straight cuts with it.
Yep.
And then I've never seen double-sided serration before. I thought that's pretty cool too.
Yeah. So very much similar. Again, it's the next evolution. These are really Gen 3 knives because we've been at it for 10 years. One of our greatest assets is listening to our customers. And what I've tried to do is just go back listened to what they wanted. They wanted a thinner knife that could do a little bit better on fine carving, but still retain the geometry that makes the knife so special in the 3 hand positions. So you can get right in, do fine carving, center tip, so you can do some nice drilling. You know, you want some power work, or you want to chop, carve baton, you can hold it like that. And again, if you're looking for a versatile knife, this might work for you.
You've seen him on the channel. You know this is a good design. I like this design. Dave's a good friend of mine. If you're looking for a cool knife, check it out. Go to the link and give him support. This is his family business, and so he takes it. This is a passion for him. I know as well. It's not just a business for you. It's a passion. So I like that. So anyway, that's it. Go to ultimatesurvivaltips.com//Elite X. That'll take you right over to the Kickstarter. You can check it out. Check out Chaz, and you can actually see our family. All the grandkids have the smiley faces over their face. Oh, that's cool.
And they're kind of like, each smiley face is with what their real expression was. And Karen, my wife was like, you can't show their faces, so I put the smiley face out.
I'm with you. Don't show faces. AI is bad.
Yeah.
So anyway, Dave,
thank you so much, Brian.
So good to see you again.
Brother, you have been a supportive brother and a great friend for many, many years. I love you, bro.
Same here, brother.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2026 Blaze Show. Remember, survival's not an accident. Be prepared. See you next time.
Thanks, guys.